What's up, y'all? Phillip James coming back to you. So we're out front of the high school, Hayes, the Rutherford B. Hayes High School here in Delaware City, Ohio. Okay? But now I have an EMF390 and I can look at just how many EMFs and EFs and how dirty electronics are giving everybody here, which is high school students, their daily dose. So go ahead and let's just walk through here and check out the power poles. ACEF, so that's the transformers up there. As you can see, says hi. This thing's bouncing all over the place. And remember, the 5G I don't even think is active right now. EMFs. So what we're going to do though, is we're going to walk over here to the 5G and check out what we have going on over here. But like I've said, and like I'm going to continue to say, this is a high school. This is right out front. All the children walk right here under all these dirty electronics and all these power lines pumping out mad EMFs and mad electric frequencies here, as you can tell. I mean, outrageously high, just bouncing all over the place. So this is all the power lines and transformers right now. Just so you know what we're looking at. Nice big old stack of transformers, but slow down a little bit. Radio frequencies keep on getting up there pretty high. EMFs. But now we're gonna walk over here. Sorry. To the 5G pole yet again. A 5G base station right out front. Oh, there we go. Right at the smart meter. That'll do it for you. Extreme! And remember, this smart meter we're looking at is literally parked right here on the sidewalk. So, as you know, all the high school students walking by getting this kind of dosage each and every day before school and after school when they walk home. Looks pretty healthy, doesn't it? Man, this is unbelievable. I'm so happy. So happy I got this EMF390. I mean, not happy kids are getting dosed. Of course not. This is unbelievable. Look at that EMF. Look at that shit. That's outrageous. I mean, we're pretty close to the smart meter, but still, the point is, so will the kids. They'll be pretty close because they're walking on a damn sidewalk beside it. It's picking that up as a microwave. Outrageous, man. Kids will be walking by this every single day. Every day. But I really just wanted to show that I now have an EMF390. So you best believe we're going to be taking readings all over the place, finding all kinds of hot spots in and around Delaware City, Polaris, Ohio, Columbus, you know, all of the central OH regions. So much love to y'all. Phil James, I'm out. Peace.